Okay, so with this one too, so after looking at how to expand, how to autofill, now let's move on to the next thing. So the next thing is we are going to add up a new sheet. So to add up a new sheet, look at this addition sign beside the name of the sheet here. So you click on the addition sign to add up a new sheet. So when you add up, this is a new interface, Excel interface. So here I have the cells, so from cell A1 up to infinity, then the row numbers up to down. So here we are going to put in some one or two things, some one or two information like the products, their numbers, their name, their price, their quantity, and then their total price. So let's go. So here will be NO for number. Here will be product name. The next one will be the price. Let me expand this a little. So here to so capital P. So here quantity. This is quantity. The next one will be so I have price quantity. Then here will be total. So with the numbers, we are going to autofill. So I'll enter 1, then I'll autofill. So from 1 to let's say 10 here, then we know how to autofill. So I'll click and then I'll click on fill series. So let me add the last one. I'll drag again and I have it. Then here the product name. So let's say Milo, right? So Milo, sardine. Next one, cornflakes. The next one, sugar. The next one, biscuits. The next one, so let's say Milo, sardine, cornflakes, sugar, biscuit, needle, bread, milk. Let's see, what's product again? So let's say soup. Right, then something like knife. So there are prices. So we are going to enter the prices here. So let's say 25 cities, 35, 27, 65, 14, 17, 23, 40, 68, then 20 cities, right? Then their quantity, that is the number of items that we have in stock. So 7, 5, here is 3, 1, 4, 7, 6, 3, 2, 7. So here, now after doing this, you realize that the information itself, they are not in the form of a table. So we are going to apply it in the form of a table here. So we are going to highlight them, then we are going to add what we call the borders to it. So I will start from the NO. We know how to highlight. When the cursor looks this thick white, that is when you highlight. So I will drag from here up to this side like this, like this. Then here I have my font group. Then I'll click on the drop down. Then I will choose all borders. So I'll click. I'm sure you saw it. This is the ribbon here. You click on the drop down and then you see all borders. You click on it and then it will put it in borders form. Then here the next one is you need to center align all of them, right? So to center align, we have the group that we call the alignment group. So here this is the center alignment. This is also for the center, like it has to be in the middle. So here, the center, I'll click on the center alignment. Then if you want the data or the information to be handled in the middle of the cell, you click on this one too, like that. So after doing that, the NO, the product name, the quantity, the total, they are the header, right? The header of the information that we've entered. So we are going to highlight them. So from the NO up to this side, up to the total like this, we'll highlight. Then we know our bold, right? So this is bold. You can use the shortcut Control B, or you can just click on it like this and then to bolding up. If you want to increase the font, you can equally click on the drop down here, choose a number. So if I click on the drop down, there is a number group of numbers, right? Or you can equally use this one. The small a means you are decreasing. The big one means you are increasing. So once I keep on clicking on the big one, it will be increasing, right? So let's expand it again by dragging. If you want to expand, you can equally bring the cursor on the line like this, and then you can just double click. It will auto fix the line for you. So it's either you drag or you double click to auto fix the lines. So after typing this, let's say, so let me come to the next line here, because when we finish, we are going to do some serious calculation. So here, let me enter total here, right? That will make it bold. So you click and then you hit on Control B. Then here, the sheet name is sheet 2. So right click on it, you click on rename, then you choose, or you type, this will be market. That will be the name like that. So here, what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to perform calculation. So I need the total for the price and then the quantity. So the total for the price and then the quantity, if I need the total for Milo, that means I need to multiply what? 25 by 7, right? And to be able to do that, first, if you want to perform calculation in Excel, you must first start with an equal to. So you hit on the equal to sign on your keyboard. Once you hit on the equal to sign, then you move your cursor to the cells that you want to multiply. So the 25 here, I will click on the 25. That's the first cell, which is cell C2. Then asterisk, right? Asterisk, if you want to apply asterisk, you need to press Shift and 8. So Shift 8, asterisk represents multiplication, right? Asterisk represents multiplication. Then I will click on the next cell, which is the 7. No, 7, right? This one. So cell C2 and then D2. Then I'll hit on enter. So you could see that it has multiplied the first one, giving me 175. Now I want to provide all the answers for the rest of the cells. And this is where the autofill becomes important, because you will not waste time to be doing them one by one. So I'll point my cursor on the pointer here like this, right? Then I'll drag down to autofill. You see all the answers are being shown here, right? So you finish with this and then we'll continue to the next one.